Hey guys, this is Danny with MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. I wanted to take an opportunity to show you one of the prettiest boats I think I've seen in this dealership in a long time. This is a brand new 2026 Sea Ray. This is the all-new 320 Sundancer. This is such a sleek looking, elegant, but powerful boat. It's a perfect day boat for all of our local lakes right here in the upstate. As you see, it's just a white look, nice clean look with a black boot stripe all the way down the side. It just gives it a nice clean look on the water. You got, you can see the rails, the handrails up here, so it's going to be easy access, walk around the front. It's got an electric windlass as well, easy to pull up, not a lot of strain on your body. Let's walk around back here and let me show you a couple of the features. Before we go up in this boat and show you some of the things that you're really going to like about this. This boat is actually powered with twin 350 horsepower Mercruisers. It's got the Bravo 3 drives. It's got underwater lighting, you can see here. And as well, this has a submersible platform. This platform comes down, lowers down here, so you can pretty much sit in the water, put your feet out, hang out here, have some beverages and collect some rays, and just have a good time with the whole family. Let's go up in this boat and let me show you a few options. Guys, now we're up here on the transom of the boat. I want to show you just a couple of little quick things here. You've got storage here underneath, and what this is your shore power. You can hook up to the dock when you're in dock. You can actually have your water hooked up to as well. This boat does have a generator. I'll show you a little bit more about that as well. It's got a beautiful sun pad back here on the back. You've got plenty of room, and when this is not deployed down, you still have a lot of room to walk around, so it's really awesome. So back here, you got the sun pad. One of the things I really like about this is you have this lever here. You can pick it up. So if you have a bunch of people on the boat and you're all just hanging out on the back, swing this open. Look how much open this really brings the boat, It's such a great layout. Right here, you've got your platform button here, so that lowers it down. As well in here, you got a warm and hot shower. Rinse off, when you come up from swimming. This has a little gate you can close too if you have like a puppy or something. It actually has rear stereo control too on the back here, so easy to access. As we step into here, one of the very cool options that we have is the grill. So this boat has the grill package on it. Hang out here cooking out some chicken or steaks on the grill, nothing like it. As well, he's got the slide out refrigerator here. Have plenty of storage there. Your trash can, easy to get to. Nice wraparound seating. So, like I said, you can swing this open or you can close it. And when you do close it, it still gives you a ton of wraparound seating right here. It makes it nice and cozy. I mean, you could put 10 people in here and be comfortable, Right here is the electric extended shade. So this comes all the way out here and gives you that extra shade that you would want, okay? This has the fiberglass top here. So having that is so cool because you've got the sunroof at the top. And so you can actually pull that wide open here and get sun in here. If you get tired of the sun, you can close it right back. And it has plenty of room just to move around, get in the shade. It's a very easy boat to use. Coming over here to the helm, you'll notice we have the dual digital dash, the SIMRADs, that has all your maps or anything like that. You have all your push buttons down here, and you can control all of your underwater lighting, all of your cockpit lighting. You'll be able to control your your air conditioning and everything all from this area here. This boat has a skyhook. Skyhook is great, especially if you're pulling into the dock and you're waiting for people to get gas. You can put that on the skyhook and the boat will stay there for you. And then you can kind of get your bumpers out and then go into the dock. Over here, you'll have the Axius joystick. What that does is basically takes out the work and stress of docking a boat. So easy to use, anybody can use it, you know. Over here, you got this flip seating here. So you, of course, you know, you want people, you will sit forward, checking out the lake and everything. This right here flips back, and so it gives you a little bit more room if you want to kind of join everybody in the back in the conversation. This boat has AC in the cockpit. It has AC and heat actually in the cockpit. So you got plenty of air flow in here. And when it's cold out, you can put the isinglass, which comes all the way around here and closes it up. And then you can put the heat on. So it's a perfect day boat. It really is. So let me take you up to my favorite part up here is the bow. Has a nice wide walkthrough. A lot of the old Sundancers that I grew up with were just the big bows, and then you just went up there and sat on a flat cushion or a towel. This actually has a nice open bow seating, armrest. It's very comfortable. I think it's one of the greatest things that Sea Ray has ever designed. You got your stereo control up here as well, and speakers. It's just a wide open boat. You feel like you've got tons of space. Right here, you do have your windlass, as I was mentioning earlier. It's got a remote, so you just basically can push the buttons, lift it up out of the water, easy. Okay, guys, let's go downstairs in the cabin, and let me show you some of the awesome features down here. As you come down, you basically have a front berth right here, as well as the table area. You can sit here and have dinner. You got a nice little TV right back here in the back. You can see out the windows too, so it's a little dark outside here, but you know, it would give you a nice lighting down here naturally. Got a nice little refrigerator here. Keep some cold drinks, microwave, and there's the steps I was talking about. Look at that teak. It looks really nice coming downstairs. And then in the back here, you have a nice little area. You can fold that out and sleep two very easily. It looks like it's probably about a full or queen size actually right there. This boat has a head on it as well. So it's nice, tall. I'm about 6 foot and I've got plenty of head space here. Look at and this has a shower head here. You can just put it right there. This boat has a generator, so you're going to have heating and air on the inside of the cabin as well as the cockpit. So let's go back up here in the top. Hey, so guys, I appreciate you giving me the time to kind of show you through this boat. We are right here in Greenville, South Carolina, and that's one of the reasons I think that this boat is such a great day boat for all of our local lakes up here. If you'd like to come see this boat in person, please do. Give us a call at Greenville MarineMax. Thanks.